Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Atina. I went ahead and prepped my practice hand by applying long C-curve tips. I applied them with some Mr. Bond glue. I'm doing the nude base, and for the nude base, I'm using Salmon Sand from OPI. It's more on the sheer side, but it goes well with different skin tones. In today's video, I'm doing a recreation set. I saw this set by Claws by Dior. I'm recreating this set in my own little way. Basically, we're going to be doing Frenchies and French swirl sets on my practice hand. For the nude base, I did 2 coats and cured each one in between for 60 seconds. I applied a thin layer of matte top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. This is basically going to give you a smooth surface to work on and also protect your base color underneath, so that if you happen to mess up, all you have to do is wipe it away with some alcohol or acetone. For my pinky, I'm taking this beautiful purple gel polish from Bunch in the number 198 using my 20mm nail liner brush. I'm just doing a deep French nail design on the pinky, just starting with outlining that smile line and infilling the rest of the nail. You can see me struggling with my liner brush to infill the rest of the nail. You can do this faster by using the brush that comes with the gel polish. It makes it a lot faster. Just be careful not to mess up your smile line. I switched to my 5mm liner brush to infill the rest of the nail faster. I'm just using my liner brush because I didn't want to mess up the smile line at all. We're going to be doing Frenchies on the pinky and the middle finger, while the index finger and the ring finger, we're going to be doing French swirl design. Basically, I'm increasing the base of my Frenchie while adjusting my smile line as I go. For the ring finger, I first drew a thin smile line and drew a thin line coming from it. Just trying to perfect the smile line, then after that, we're going to infill the side of the nail. Drawing on a practice hand like mine is a little difficult, but just make sure you're holding the finger nice and sturdy and stabilize your hand with your pinky so that you don't wiggle all over the place. I just realized that because I'm recording with my phone, I can't look at an ISPO picture at this very point, and I'm just wondering why I never thought about that. I did the rest of the French swirl design on the ring finger off camera because I got frustrated going back and forth, looking at the inspo picture in my phone and recording at the same time. But you see the rest of the process on the index finger.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back.
Using the opioid top coat, add on these purple rhinestones and cure this for 60 seconds.
To a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt.
Then top coating the rest of the nails using glossy top coats from the bunch. Make sure not to apply top coat on the rhinestone cause that will remove the shine.
Small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse.
That's basically the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Keep those nails on point. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew